Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today video is all about something very special and close to my heart. Crochet baby frog design. There are something magical about handmade crochet. Every single stitch carries warm love and creativity. When you make a frog for a baby with your own hands, it is not just a piece of clothing. It is a memory, a gift filled with care and affection. In today's collection, I will be showing you some of the most beautiful and trending crochet baby frog design. These frogs are perfect for every little princess. Whether it is for a birthday, a family gathering, or just a cute everyday outfit. You notice a variety of colors and patterns in this video, from soft pastel shades like baby pink, mint green and sky blue to bold and bright tones like red and mustard. Each design reflects elegance and innocence at the same time. If you are someone who loves crafting or want to start your own crochet journey, this design will surely inspire you. Whether you are a beginner and expert, you will find ideas here that are easy to follow and full of creativity. And if you are planning to make a crochet frog as a gift, remember handmade gifts always hold more love than anything store bought. These frogs not only look beautiful but are also super comfortable for babies to wear. The yarn used in this design are baby safe, non-irritating and perfect for sensitive skin. So sit back, relax and enjoy this beautiful crochet baby frog design. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon button so you never miss any video of upcoming crochet design videos. Thank you for watching. Take care and Allah Hafiz.